the year and it's snowing. All the cars are covered. It's coming down pretty good. But I'm about ready to leave. Helen, get ready to go to Grandfather Mountain. I live in Blacksburg, so yeah, getting some good old northwest flow. But yeah, pretty insane. So get ready to go. So we got Seth right there.
What's up?
We got Brett.
How's it going?
This is the same crew. This is the St. Tier Cliffs crew. So today it's supposed to get up to like 50 to 60 mile an hour winds, possibly higher on like the exposed parts of the ridge. And the wind chills are probably gonna get up into the sub-zeros, sub-zero temperatures. So we're starting from the Boones Fork Trailhead. We're gonna head pretty much all across the whole entire ridgeline, get down to the swing bridge and turn around and come back. So it's gonna be a long hike. Yikes. So I guess we're here.
Go up to Calloway Peak first.
Yeah, Calloway's there, and then come all the way to the swinging bridge right there, and then come all the way back. See if we can do it. Yep. All right. This is probably gonna gain like at least 3,000 feet. Yeah. But yeah, let's do it.
This isn't a loop, right? It's out back.
Yeah, it's out and back. Wow. So since we're doing the out and back, I read one review where it said you traverse 34 ladders. That's like out and back, so like from here to the swing bridge is 17, and from the swing bridge and back is also 17. So we'll have a lot of ladders to climb over today. For those that live in Virginia, this is like Old Rag 2.0, but you add ladders to it.
It's a little bit longer.
Yeah, I think it's like 3 miles to Calloway Peak, the highest point on the ridgeline, so we got a while to go. That wind is powerful. Yeah, the ground is now is starting to freeze, but before it was just muddy. Wow. Doesn't even feel like we didn't gain that much elevation. It's already freezing on the ground. You think?
Probably.
Yeah.
We're already over a third of the way, Calloway.
Yeah. Yeah, we're probably about like a mile and a half in. Man, this is a cool forest. Wow. There's been a lot of scenery changes on this hike. Like we've gone from rhododendron to like pine forest, back to rhododendron, mountain laurel, and now this. Crazy. So I just checked the GPS and we've already gained 1,000 feet. We're at 5,000 feet already. We started around 4,000 and Calloway Peak's at, I think, just under 6,000 feet. So pretty much about halfway there in terms of elevation change. So hasn't been too bad. I mean, there's been a lot of switchbacks. It's been a slow uphill, but it hasn't been too bad for the most part. So definitely starting to see more snow. It's gradual though, but solid coating. Whoa, this is a heck of a scenery change. This is more like spruce forest now. Holy crap. Yeah, let's go. 1 mile left. Alright, so we're having our first official break. What do you got, Seth?
Give me a Cliff Bar chocolate chip.
Nice. What do you got?
Had peanut butter and jelly.
Nice. Probably gonna pull out some Cliff Bars, maybe have some beef jerky, and then we'll keep heading on our way. Oh look, you can see rime mice on top of the trees. That's cool. What a fun day, man. Oh, that's the top right there.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
There's also a hut back there.
Oh dang. Cool. Yeah, there's the top, Calloway Peak. Let's go. Yeah, I think the ladder's like right up there. Oh yeah, I see. It's right there. Yeah, there's the first ladder. Oh wow. I don't know what to do with my hiking stick. I might need to pack it away. Oh yeah, there we go.
Here, watch out, Brett's behind you.
This is so fun.
There's some big icicles too.
Yeah, this is pretty impressive.
Watch out, it's icy up here, dude.
That's what the cable's for.
It's pretty steep too. Holy crap. We got a long ways to go to get to that swinging bridge.
Yeah, I know. Oh wow, you're right. Holy crap. It is something else up here. Let me tell you that right now. Wow. We made it? Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Let's go, dude. It is windy. There's the Calloway. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
Of a day.
This is like the perfect day.
Holy crap. Wow. Look at all the rime ice here. This is so impressive. Look at the texture of it.
Yeah, that's insane. Hold that for a sec.
Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm pretty sure that these mountains here, that's part of the Black Mountains. I think that's attic window. Right behind that is Calloway Peak. That's what we're going to next. You can start to see exposed areas. That's part of the trail. So, and they're facing northwest. That's right in the direction of the wind. So that'll be interesting to see how that goes. But yeah, this is incredible.
He's got a lot of weight.
Yeah. I think Mount Rogers is up that way. Incredible. Okay, I don't want to go peak 1.1. That's gonna be a long 1.1 miles.
Is that, where's that to?
Attic window. And then right after that is McRae Peak. Yeah, it is a completely different world up here. Rime ice everywhere. Now we're descending into Calloway Gap, so we'll meet up with the profile trail, and then we'll just keep going on the grandfather trail. We've knocked out, I think, 6 ladders, so still got a lot more to go. Holy crap. That is where we're off to next. That looks so rugged. Oh wow, we're already at Calloway Gap. Dang, that went by fast. That was a steep descent off Calloway. Yeah, I think this is the profile trail here. Okay.
We can get that far to go.
Yeah.
Let's see the rough one going down.
That's gonna get pretty interesting soon. So we're now in Calloway Gap, heading toward Attic Window. This is gonna get fun. That's probably Calloway over there. See that? Yeah, that's where we were. Oh gosh. This is ridiculous. Oh, send it. It's a bit close. Keep on moving, you got it. No wonder it's... Oh, I have to get down this.
Hey, that's some nice framing for your video.
Oh yeah, I see stuff. Yeah, there's a ladder. This is the 8th ladder. Oh, another ladder. All right, we just got down that. We just got down that brutal climb or brutal descent. Now we're having lunch. We're probably I think in the gap between this knob and the gray, or I mean attic window. Yeah. So it's gonna be so hard going back up that when we have to come back here. It was so treacherous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so apparently we already hit attic window. So attic window is here and the Great Peak is here. So that's actually, I did not know that. So up there was a window, attic window. Now we got this much to go and then we'll be at the, I think Swinging Ridge is down here, yeah. All right, so the dude that we've been seeing a lot on the hike just told us that the ascent up to the Great Peak is really sketchy. Like it's like sheer ice and just exposed ladders just going straight up. So I don't know if we're gonna do the gray. No idea yet. We'll just have to see. We'll evaluate as needed, but probably not. Especially with this pack that Seth is carrying, there's no way. I don't think there's any way we're going to be able to climb the gray. But we'll see. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna take. There's like a trail that goes around the gray back to Swing Ridge, so I think we'll take that trail, and then we'll try maybe ascending the gray on just coming back up from Swing Ridge. But if we can't, then we can't. It is what it is. It's just way too windy. And the ice is just crazy, but yeah, that's just an update. We're gonna get ready to go pretty soon. To avoid it, yeah, let's take the Underwood Trail. Yeah, let's take 1 mile of Swing Ridge. Yeah, lower route. Yeah, this will avoid. I think this will avoid the exposed ladders. Oh, this is not good. I don't like this. There's no way. Yeah, there's no way. Yeah, there's no way we're making that. Heck, yeah, no. So I guess we can't go to the Swing Ridge then.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, so that was way too risky. That ladder went down so far, probably at least 20 rungs. And that was probably the strongest winds we've felt. Was that spot right there? And we're like, there's no way. And I can't go the other trail because that goes up to the gray. And the guy we passed it said it was so treacherous. So I'm never just gonna head back the way we came. So I was totally expecting this to happen. I think everything up to this point was fine, but the Great Peak was something I was a little worried about going into this hike because of how sketchy, how windy it is, plus the ice. So we're gonna head back the way we came. But still, this has been an awesome hike. Totally recommend this, but sometimes the weather, sometimes Mother Nature is in charge here, and you have to let down, and that's okay. It's just the way it is. Guys, let's head back the way we came. Yep. All right, Calloway Peak 1.3. Let's go. Yeah, because we have to go back up that stupid climb with all the rocks and the ladders. Well, this is about to suck. Oh my God. What a nightmare. Oh my God. This wind is absolutely brutal. Holy crap. Bro, that was hell.
That was.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, here's the actual Summit Ag window. Okay. Frick.
Yeah, if we would have went all, I don't think I could have done all the way to Swinging Bridge and back.
Yeah, no. Definitely not.
It's getting too late in the day for that anyway.
Yeah.
It's already like 1 something.
What time is it? 1:30. Okay. Yeah, we don't have time to go down there. Sunsets in like 6 hours. So.